Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest Scalp. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest Scalp problem, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Pinterest here and you will click. You will find it here. Pinterest. Then we click for stop. After that we click storage. Here we go to click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.